Observe and scan the external in order to determine what's happening internally with your vessel. For example, rashes that appear on the skin during a fast. Rashes appearing on the skin during a fast can be a concerning sign and should be, and it may indicate various underlying factors. While it is not always directly linked to the lymphatic grid or natural filtering cleansing functions being clogged, it could be a signal that your vessel is detoxifying or reacting to the changes brought on by the fast. During fasting, the vessel undergoes significant adjustments as it switches from its usual metabolic state. As toxins and waste products are released, they can sometimes manifest in the form of skin rashes. However, rashes during a fast can also be caused by other factors such as food allergies, dehydration, or heightened sensitivity due to hormonal fluctuations. To kickstart and support the vessel's natural cleansing functions, especially during or after fasting, consider the following strategies. Take some notes, and here we go. Number 1, stay hydrated. Proper hydration, ample water is essential for optimal organ function and flushing out toxins. Drink plenty of clean water and decoctions, herbal decoctions, and herbal infusions to maintain adequate hydration levels. 2, consume nutrient-rich foods. That's after a fast. After a fast, gradually introduce nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, but stay away from whole grains for a while. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that support natural cleansing processes. Number 4, antioxidant-rich foods. Include foods high in antioxidants such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts, minimal nuts, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals and support detoxification. I think that was number 3. This might be number 4. And by the way, you should pre-soak any nuts before eating them. Number 4, supportive herbs. Certain herbs like dandelion root, milk thistle, and burdock have traditionally been used to aid liver and kidney function, supporting natural detoxification. Number 5, exercise. Regular physical activity can and does stimulate circulation and enhance lymphatic flow, aiding in the removal of toxins from your vessel. Number 6, skin brushing. Dry skin brushing can promote lymphatic circulation and assist in removing waste from your vessel. Very important. And if you don't know how to do that, you can look online, and I'm sure there are some videos that show you how to properly skin brush. Number 7, adequate re-energizing or so-called rest. Allow your vessel time to re-energize and regenerate during and after fasting. Proper sleep and relaxation are crucial for the vessel's cleansing processes. Number 8, after a fast and all the time, avoid overeating. Avoid overloading your digestive grid with heavy processed foods. Gradually reintroduce solids, as I mentioned, and practice mindful consumption or mindful ingesting of food. Finally, seek the advice of someone like me if you are experiencing persistent or severe rashes of any kind or any symptoms during or after fasting. Remember, consultation is also your best friend. Finally, and I summarize, to remember that fasting or detoxifying should be approached always carefully, and you can do it under the supervision of someone like myself, or just make sure you put it down, journal everything, to monitor, as I said at the top, observe and scan, to know exactly what's going on internally.